Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. Today we are learning greetings. In our daily life, there are different greetings and responses at any time and place due to different situations. In this episode, we first look at the more formal greeting and response. These are sentences that we hear very often in our daily life. And let's practice these greeting sentences in conversation today. Okay, let's start. Scenario 1. Formal greeting. Good morning, how do you do? 早，您好。
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 Morning, how are you?
早，你好。
早，您好。
早，你好。May I ask you are?
请问你是？
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 早，你好。请问你是？
I am Lori. 我是 Lori.
我是 Lori。
我是 Lori。
Hi, how are you?
嗨，你好。
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 David, this is Chloe. David, 这位是 Chloe.
这位是 Chloe。
这位是 Chloe。
Hello, everyone.
嗨，大家好。
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 How's everyone?
大家好吗？
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 Long time no sees.
好久不见。
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 It's been a while.
好一阵没见了。
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 Haven't seen you in a while. 有一阵子没见了吧？
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 I haven't seen you for ages.
好多年没见了。
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 You are here.
你来了。
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 你来了啊。
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 What brings you here? 你怎么会来？
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 I didn't know you would come. 我不知道你会来。
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 How's going? 最近好吗？
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 Busy lately? 最近忙吗？
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 How are you doing?
最近怎样？
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 Good?
好吗？
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 最近怎样？好吗？
How's your day?
今天好吗？
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 What a small world.
世界真小啊！
世界真小啊！
世界真小啊。Welcome back. 欢迎回来。
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 Have you eaten yet?
吃过饭了吗？
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 吃了吗？
吃了吗？
吃了吗？ Have you eaten yet? 吃过了吗？
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 Okay. Scenario 2. Formal greeting response. All neutral. Can complain. 还可以。
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 Average. 普通。
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 Can complain. 还可以。
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 普通。还可以。So far so good. 目前还可以。
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 A little busy.
有点忙。
有点忙。
有点忙。So so.
还好。
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 有点忙。还好。
Always busy.
一直很忙。
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 Very busy.
非常忙。
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 I'm alright. 我还好。
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 Nothing. 没事。
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 No problem. 没问题。
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 没事。没问题。It's nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你。
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 It's good to see you. 很高兴看到你。
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 I'm too happy you came by.
很高兴你来。
很高兴你来。
很高兴你来。My pleasure. 我的荣幸。
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 Me too.
我也是。
我也是。
我也是。Same to you.
一样。
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 Thank you.
谢谢。
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 I have already eaten.
吃过了。
吃过了。
吃过了。谢谢。吃过了。Scenario 3. Formal greeting response. If you are doing well. I'm fine. 我很好。
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 And you?
你呢？
你呢？
你呢？我很好。你呢？ Doing well. 都好。
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 It's going well.
都挺好。
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 Everything is fine.
一切都好。
一切都好。
一切都好。Great. 非常好。
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 You look well.
你看起来很好。
你看起来很好。
你看起来很好。Well, these are the formal greetings that we use every day. Note that because the average conversation speed is not slow, I hope you'll focus on comparing the differences in their pronunciation and understand the meaning of each Chinese character clearly, so that you can answer correctly. When the other person asks a question, we must pay attention to the adverbs of the time when they ask. In Chinese, if the other person asks for a specific time, particular adverbs of time will be added, such as 今天、昨天、最近、早安、午安、下午好, and so on. But if the person did not mention the time in the sentence, that means now. Please remember, 早安、午安、下午好. These phrases for greetings are only used on very formal occasions. 晚安 is basically only used for informal occasions before going to bed. Alright, what do you think? If you like my lessons, please subscribe and check out these videos. I will see you next time.